Good morning, children. Today, let us continue the same lesson. A letter to a daughter. Harshini's father used to write letters Harshini regularly. Always he used to write some stories to Harshini. First he has written the story of Punyakoti. To now he is writing a story of Ekalavya. This is very, very interesting, children. We studied Ekalavya his main desire was to study archery. That's why where he went? He went to Hastinapur to meet Dronacharya, and he requested Dronacharya in a polite way to make him a good archer. But Dronacharya refused to teach because he said, I am teaching only to the princess of Hastinapur. I can't teach you. At the same time, he was disappointed. But he thought of a plan. No, my main desire, what is my desire? I want to become a great archer. Then what plan he did, children? Tell me what plan he did? Yeah, he did a clay model of his guru. Who is that guru? Dronacharya. Yeah, he prepared a nice clay model and he kept in one place, and daily in front of that clay model he is praying, and he is practicing the archer. His aim, what is his aim? He wants to become an expert in archery. That's why Dronacharya, anyhow, he is not ready to teach, That's why he did one clay model of Dronacharya. He kept in a place, and daily he used to come there and he used to pray with Dronacharya in front of clay model, and he started his practice. Like this, daily he used to practice in front of the clay model, and one day he became an expert archer. Always he used to concentrate in his work. That's why at last he succeeded to become an expert archer. Today I will continue here. Harshini, don't you think Ekalavya was great? Harshini's daddy is writing there. Harshini, don't you think Ekalavya was great? Remember, where there is a will, there is a way. ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಛಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿಯೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿನ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. We can become an expert leader. That's why after practicing with concentration, Ekalavya has become an expert archer. That's why Harini's father is telling, see Harini, in this story we can study where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, this is the moral of this story of Ekalavya. Where there is a will, there is a way. Now Harshini, we have all the facilities to stay in comfort and learn. Harshini, now you are in the hostel, you got all the good facilities there and comfort also. Chandadalli alli aaramdalli irta iddi neenu, and learn, and very good teachers to guide you. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀನು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿ. ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ you will succeed. Always you should succeed at last. You are telling now, where there is a will, there is a way. According to that, you should make use of all the facilities, the good facilities you'll get. You already got in your hostel. Good teachers are there. Ask the guidance of your teachers, and I am sure that you will succeed. Oh, have a nice day and take care, my dear. Take care, dear, my dear child. Your loving Papa Basavaraj. How nice letter he has written to his daughter. Now, yes. Now, I read this lesson, children. Whole lesson I read. Say, a letter to a daughter. Introduction. Harshini's father works in Delhi and he writes letters to his daughter regularly. Here is a letter. Dear Harshini, hope you are fine and have got used to the hostel. I hope you have read some more books during your holidays. In my previous letter, I had written to you about the story of Punyakuti. Now I am going to write about of Ekalavya. Ekalavya lived with his parents in a forest. He used to hunt and fish for his living. He had a great desire to learn archery, but there was no one to teach him. He had heard about the great teacher Dronacharya, who lived in Hastinapura. Ekalavya went to Dronacharya and requested him to teach him archery. But Drona refused to take him as a student. He said that he was paid only to teach the princess of Hastinapura. Next paragraph. Ekalavya was very disappointed, but his desire for learning was very great. So he thought of a plan. He made a clay model of Dronacharya and made it for his real guru. He prayed before the clay model and then started practicing archery every day. He continued this for a long time with deep interest and great concentration. Soon he mastered the skill and became an expert archer. Harshini, this is about the story of Ekalavya. Harshini, don't you think Ekalavya was great? Remember, where there is a will, there is a way. Now Harshini, you have all the facilities to stay in comfort and learn, and very good teachers to guide you. Make the best use of these facilities and you will surely succeed. Have a nice day and take care, my dear. Your loving Papa Basavaraj. This is the end of this lesson, children. See, if there is any difficulty, you tell me. Hope you understood this lesson nicely. Is it? Very good lesson. Very good moral is there. Where there is a way, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. You should follow the same method. You should follow, children. Practicing. If you can't understand, you should not live like that. Try and try again and again. If you practice daily means, definitely you will succeed your aim. You will succeed at last. That's why the father is telling, Basavaraj is telling, where there is a will, there is a way. That means he is telling Harshini, take example of Ekalavya and study nicely. Practice. If you can't understand, practice and take help of your teachers and study nicely. You will succeed. Definitely you will succeed at last study. Okay, children? I'll give the words. Study the words. While writing the words, you should study the words, children. That time it is easy for you to study. Okay? Thank you, children.